Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying essentials so you can fix time quickly. On your iPhone, confirm Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on, and the phone is running a recent iOS version. Next, make sure the Apple Watch has at least 20% battery and sits within a couple meters of the phone. Once done, open the Watch app, tap My Watch, then General and Date and Time. You're about to use the Set Automatically toggle to force the watch to use the phone's time settings. You'll now force a deeper resync and verify system services. First, in the Watch app toggle set automatically off, wait 5 seconds, then toggle it back on to trigger a fresh time sync. If that doesn't stick, open iPhone settings, enable location services and system services time zone settings so network time can update. Make sure both devices are restarted, powering off and on clears transient errors. If you see a persistent mismatch, complete the repair by finalizing the sync and, if necessary, restoring the pairing. First, force restart your Apple Watch by holding the digital crown and side button until the Apple logo appears. This often resolves leftover offsets. If the time still won't correct, unpair the watch from your iPhone and repair it. That rebuilds the connection and restores settings from backup. Troubleshooting tip. If time remains wrong after repairing, test the watch with a different iPhone or check carrier/network time. Contact Apple support for hardware or account issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.